Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. Today I'm going to show you how to post garage/yard sale on Facebook. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Facebook app on your phone or go to the Facebook website on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Next, tap on What's on your mind at the top of the screen. This is where you create your post. Step 3. Now, type a clear and detailed description of your yard sale. Be sure to include the words yard sale or garage sale, along with the date, time, and location. If you have any specific items for sale, mentioning them can attract more buyers. Step 4. Once you've written the description, tap on the Photo Video button. Here, you can upload pictures or videos of the items you're selling. Adding images makes your post more appealing and helps potential buyers see what you have to offer. Step 5. Finally, click on Post to publish your yard sale listing. Your post will now be visible to your friends, and depending on your privacy settings, it may also reach people in your local community. That's it. You've successfully posted your yard sale on Facebook. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.